Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you a couple really easy, beautiful lazy hairstyles for work. And if you're new, I am Tina, glad to see you guys here, and let's get started. And hairstyle number one is an elegant French knotted ponytail. So first thing you're gonna do is take your crown and make a topsy-tail ponytail. And then pull out the sides of the twist to soften the look. And then we're gonna take 2-inch sections from each side of our head to make a double knot right below the first ponytail. And before we tie this up, we're going to tug on the knot to soften the look because we don't want this to look like a knotted mess. We don't even want this to look like a knot. We simply want this to look like a beautiful braid by the end. And I know what some of you guys are thinking. No, this is not going to knot your hair or damage it. It's totally fine. But make sure to tug on the knots to soften the look. And eventually, as we continue to make more of these knots, it's going to start looking really draggy, like not cute. So we are going to secure the knots in place with a bobby pin or two. So continue making these knots down as far as you want, and we're done. And for hairstyle number two, I'm going to show you guys a really elegant and easy bun. So again, you're going to take your crown and topsy-tail it. And then take the bottom section, tie it into a ponytail before braiding it. And after tying the ends, we're going to topsy-tail this braid as well, but sideways this time. So make sure when you make the bottom ponytail that it's loose, or otherwise it's going to be painful. Now all you have to do is take the braid across and pin it in place. And last step is to tug on the braids to make it softer looking because we want the braids to look like curls and not braids. And that's all there is to it.
We're gonna live out loud. Like every day's a Saturday, living in our way, dancing like we're on a cloud. In every boy now, in every girl, in everybody around the world.
And this last hairstyle is my favorite look from today because it is just so beautiful, even more so in person. So you definitely have to go try this out today. So first, remove the top section. Don't remove the hair. Just clip out the top section. And then make a mid ponytail with the rest. Remove the clip and take the top and the right side into a topsy-tail. Then with the left section, you're going to wrap it around the 2 hair elastics before adding this section into the big hair elastic. Now lastly, and this is the most important part, is to loosen up the crown to again soften the look, and that's all there is to it. And if you guys want your ponytail to be more poofier, tease the roots of the ponytail, and we're done. If you guys liked today's tutorial, if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. I love you guys. Have a beautiful weekend, everyone. Bye.